A consumer is a person who buys things, and a consumer society is a society that encourages people to buy and use goods. Some people think that consumer society provides people with better life. People in consumer society tend to live more comfortable. They eat wider variety of food, they go to restaurants more often, they also buy a lot of products, maybe more than they need. Products such as TV, cell phones, and computers used to be luxuries. Today people can buy these things more easily than ever before. The market for these goods is growing faster all the time. Consumer societies encourage people to buy bigger and better products. For example, smarter. Phones come out every year. In a consumer society, people are often buying newer and more advanced products. This creates a lot of waste. Nowadays, many people are thinking more seriously about the effects of consumer societies on the environment, and they are trying to become more responsible consumers. New cars are much quieter than old cars. New cars no. New cars are much quieter than old cars. Do you think money is important? Good health? Do you think money is more important than good health? This coat is nice, that one. This coat is more nice than that one. Oh, wait. Then. My old laptop was a lot big, my new one. My old laptop was a lot bigger than my new one. Gas is so expensive, I want a efficient car. Gas is so expensive, I want a better car. Many people think modern life is good life in the past. Many people think modern life is better than life in the past. Communication is a lot easy. It was 50 years old, 50 years ago. Communication is a lot easier. It was 50 years ago. The pollution in my city is much bad. It used to be. The pollution in my city is much worse. It used to be. I prefer hot temperatures. That's why I love summer. I prefer high temperatures. That's why I love summer. My new school is a my new school is a little far my old one. My new school is a little farther than my old one.